Hello everyone, welcome back to the Driple Studios channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install Scratch add-ons by GriffPatch. Let's jump straight in. So the first thing you want to do is open up your browser and whatever search engine you're using, search up Scratch extensions in the search bar. So for this tutorial, for this example, I will be using Microsoft Edge, which does use Bing, but you can do it on Firefox, Chrome, and there is another one, but I've forgotten it, but we'll discover it in a moment. So what you want to do is scroll down until you find Scratch add-ons. Specifically, the link you're looking for is https://scratchaddons.com. If we just click on this one, it will bring us to this window here. And as you can see here, install for Edge, this button here is what we will click. But if we quickly just scroll down, as you can see, it says our features. It tells us the add-ons, it's customizable, it's international, and it's, quite importantly, open source. It also, if you scroll down further, tells us highlights. So a couple of these things we have in this add-on, as you can see here, the options are Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. So if we just scroll all the way up to the top and click install Edge, it brings us to this page here. We then want to go over and click this get button. And as you can see here, it should come up with this little notification here saying add Scratch add-ons to Microsoft Edge. So what we want to do is just click add extension, and it should start installing. Once the extension has finished installing, it should bring you to this page here. So what we can do is click this view extension here, and we can just quickly click this pin. So it's just always there. You can choose not to do this. It's really up to you. I'm going to do that just because I'm on Scratch so much. So what we want to do now is head over to Scratch, and I can show you how to enable some of the add-ons. Okay, so I'm here in a brand new Scratch project, and as you can see, things look similar, not exactly the same. For example, we have a find search, like a search bar up here, which allows us to find different blocks. Another difference is that we have a pause button, which allows us to pause the game. So if I just quickly do this, and I can click the pause button and I can resume it like so. So to further explore customization for your Scratch editor, whether that be enabling add-ons such as dark mode or customizable my blocks, what we need to do is head over to the extension up here. We just want to left click on it, and as you can see, it brings up this little page here. What we can do is scroll down a little bit and find this bit that says explore all 180 plus add-ons, and this little button that says open settings page. What we want to do is click this open settings page, and it will open up this whole page here. These are all of the add-ons that we have for the add-on. So if we can scroll down here, it says recommended, and we have all of these cool looking ones like this. So we've got things such as onion skinning, we have file drag and drop, another one, do not automatically run duplicated blocks. We've got a project progress bar, project video recorder, sprite folders, sprite search, clone counter. Absolutely amazing. There's so many useful things. Scratch 2.0 to 3.0, exact count, thumbnail uploader, username search. We've got featured bits. There's so many to choose and explore. It really is amazing. So let me just show you how to enable them. Enabling add-ons is very, very simple. For example, if I just find this one, okay, editor dark mode and customizable colors. If we just go over here, as you can see, there's like a little toggle switch over on the right hand side. If we just click that, it will open it up. And as you can see, it gives us all these options that we can mess around with. I believe we can actually just click that, and the extension says load the preset. I'm going to hit yes, and I'm going to head back over to Scratch. And as you can see, everything has already been applied for us. We don't need to go through any extra steps. It's as simple as clicking a switch. If we wanted to disable this, we could just head back over to this settings page and we can just go up to this bit here and we can turn it off, go back to scratch. As you can see, is how it was before, but I quite like that, so I'm going to have it back on. That is all for this episode. If you guys did enjoy, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Goodbye.